Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any folder into archive folder in your Linux computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me create one folder. Say I will name as junk. So I have created a folder. So now next what you need to do is open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T, or you can directly open by running on the terminal by searching and going to the start menu, or you can press directly Ctrl Alt T too. And now what you need to do, say this one is a desktop one, so I'll just select the desktop one. Just type cd space desktop, hit enter. Now desktop is selected. Now type ls to list or display all the application that is present in the desktop. So you can see here the name junk, as you can see on the left hand side too in the screen, junk written. So the first step I will show you will convert in like .tar, .bz2, .zip, .gz, whatever format you want. The process will be almost similar, but let's start with the tar. So we'll convert this folder into tar. So just type tar space dash, type C for compress, and type F, hit space, type junk, that is the folder name. As you can see, in your case it might be different name, so type the respective name. We'll be converting to tar only, so I'll just put extension .tar. Again hit a space and type again junk, hit enter. So you can see below there is a tar file created. As you can see, junk.tar. In the similar way, you can create like .bz2, like tar space dash cf space junk dot. You can type like tar.bz2 if you want extension. Then hit space, type junk again, hit enter. Here it's creates tar.bz2. So in this way you can create different archive files with different extensions. And a popular archive file, as we all know, that it's a zip format. So how to create a zip archive folder from a normal folder? So you need to type, just type zip, space directly the folder name and type .zip again space and type the folder name again. Now hit enter. There's a zip format, that is the zip folder has been created. So in this way you can create the zip or the .tar or the .tar.bz2 or the .tar.xz or .tar.gz, whatever it may be. So do remember those commands. Only in the case of the zip there is a little different. You need to type a zip in case of a zip format. Other threads are similar with the tar. So in this way you can convert any folders into archive folders, that is in the .zip formats or .tar formats or .tar.bz2 formats or .tar.exit and so. So try it out by yourself, and if you face any difficulty in using this kind of tutorials, then please feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. And if you like this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.